candle. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again, and today I'm going to share with you guys a haul that I got for the month of March, or from the later part of March. So yeah, let's start with the video. So the first one that I got here is this Myra E Vital White Moisturizer that has SPF 15. So it's already summer, so I do need a moisturizer that has SPF, and this one is perfect because it has SPF 15 and it comes with the new packaging of the Myra E, and yeah, I really love this one. And the next one that I got is this Garnier Pure Active Fruit Energy Energizing Facial Foam in the scent what is this, grapefruit, pomegranate and vitamin C. So I got this one because I ran out of the Pond's anti-acne facial foam with the number 10. So yeah, I got that one. Next one that I got are this Renewal antioxidant moisturizing facial mask here in 3 sachets, or in 3 masks, because if you will buy 2 of this you will get a free one, 55 pesos each. So 55, I only paid 110 for these 3 babies here. So yeah, if you want a free one, you head on to your Watsons now, because they have 2 kinds of this, I think. So you can just choose whatever you want from them and you will get one free. The next one that I got is this Bonné, I don't know how to pronounce that one, but this is the Spam Milk Salt that I got from HBC. So I've been looking for a scrub that I can use for my body, and I think that this one will be perfect because I have read and I have seen a lot of reviews of this product, so I just want to try this one out. So yeah, this Pearl and Beauty Nivea, this one is my favorite deodorant when I was still in college, and I stopped using this one because I shifted to whitening deodorant of the Nivea, but I want to try this one again because yeah, I just miss the scent of this, and this one is for 51 pesos only in HBC. The next one that I got are these 2 shades by Colors Powder Hair Dry in the shade Chestnut Brown. So yeah, I'm planning to color my hair, but I don't have time yet. I don't know when to color my hair, but definitely I will be dyeing my hair. Again from Watsons, these are the 2 shine-free pearlized oil control sheet and the rose scent oil control sheet. So yeah, this one is only 39 pesos each, so I got the 2 scents from them. And of course, every time I do a haul, hindi nawawala ang Iwhite product, and this one is the BBholic Everyday Cream. So if you are a newbie in applying makeup, or if you want to try new BB cream, you can head on to any Watsons, 7-Eleven I think, or in HBC they have products like this, and I got mine in the shade light and in beige because the light one works good on me, but I don't know with the beige one, so I will try both of them to make a review for my skin complexion. So from Careline, 2 products from Careline. So I saw in their Instagram that they have a new product. It's the Macaron lip balm, and it's only 80 pesos, and I have mine in the scent strawberry, and my pamangkin bebe wants to use a makeup and lipstick, but yeah, I only bought Macaron lip balm for her, which is in the scent blueberry. They have 4 scents, which is the blueberry, mint, strawberry and lemon. So they have 4 scents, so we got the strawberry and the blueberry. And another product that I got from them is this Careline Lippie in the shade Best Friend. This one, oh, so red. Oh my gosh, I thought this is a pink one, but let's see. Oh, that is the shade, guys. So that is the shade. So I think this one will look good on my lips. So let us see, and I will make a review of this product soon if you want me to do a review. So yeah, let's head on to the random things that I got during this month of March. Here in the random things, the first one that I got is this water bottle from SM department store. So I've been looking for this kind of bottle, the one that has a container inside which you can put a fruit or a lemon, cucumber, just to make a flavor for your water. So this one is only 149.75. So 150 lang siya sa mga online. Sobrang mahal, parang mga 250 ata sa mga online shop. So yan, nakahanap ako. So if you want to use a water bottle like this, lalo na ngayon, summer na, dehydrate na tayong lahat. So yeah, I recommend using this one para naman hindi boring yung water natin. And because I will be coloring my hair or I will be dyeing my hair soon, I bought disposable gloves from HBC kasi akala ko wala na yung mga clean gloves ko dito sa bahay. Yun pala, ang dami pa palang nakabox dyan for our medical mission. So I bought this one. And of course, I also bought a head cover from them na polka dots. Kasi ito yung mas makapal siya. Kasi I bought the thin one before. Yan. And of course, dahil nag-duty ako, I need a lot of socks. I got the 3 pairs of socks from Puma. This one, yan. Marami ko na ate yung isa. And 150 pesos lang siya. Imagine, Puma yan ha, 150 pesos lang. So, head on to your SM department store now kasi naka-sale ang Puma ngayon. Ayan, parang 50 pesos lang pa ang isang pair. So, yeah. And the quality is really good. And of course, because I went back to Pilates and jogging. If you're following me in my Instagram, so you've seen na nakiki-fun run na kami ngayon. So, ayun. Nawala ko kasi yung socks ko na from Puma before na ganito. Kasi ito siya, para siyang may foam dito sa may sole niya, tsaka dito sa may part niya dito. Ano bang tawag to? Basta dito na part, para pag nagja-jog ka, kung saan yung tumatama yung pressure, hindi siya masyadong matigas, lalo na if you are using non-running shoes, yun. Maganda to na para sa At saka pag nag-duty kayo, kung hindi naman very strict kasi ang nurse, lakad siya ng lakad. So, I suggest, wala kasing white na ganito. Gusto ko sana yung white na ganito for my duty kasi diba, napaka-comfortable talaga nito, makapal, tapos may foam siya. Parang may foam siya, very comfortable sa paa. So, ayun. Gusto ko sana. I hope Puma, if you are watching this, Pilingera, if you're watching this, sana merong white na ganito din po para po sa aming mga nurses, ayan, na hindi na nag-stocking. So, yeah. And the last one that I got here in this haul is of course my favorite scent of candle. If you've seen my favorites video, so ayun, included siya. And this one cost only 88 pesos kasi wala na yung glass na lalagyan niya because I will just be refilling the glass canister. So yeah. So that's it for my haul, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me, sharing the things that I got. This is not to brag, but I just want you guys to see, or kung may magustuhan man kayo, at least bumili kayo, diba? So if you want to follow me in my social medias, I have Facebook page and Instagram, so just look at the link down below. I will be putting the links down below. Nabubulol na ako kasi nagmamadali na ako dahil kakain na daw kami. So yeah, that's it for it, and I will be making my another haul video soon. So yeah, bye.